Hey friends, today we're making a cozy black lentil and kale curry. It's warm, colorful, and perfect for meal prep or a relaxed weeknight dinner. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need cooked black lentils, chopped kale, diced onion, minced garlic, minced fresh ginger, ground curry powder, canned diced tomatoes, coconut milk, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and cooked rice for serving. Add diced onion, garlic, and ginger and saute until soft. Then sprinkle in cumin and curry powder. Now add the tomatoes and lentils, then pour in the coconut milk. Give it a gentle stir and let it simmer until it turns creamy. This one is rich, comforting, and full of flavor. Perfect for cold days when you want something nourishing that lasts all week. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.